Hey Sophie, did you catch the game last night?
Of course I did. It was amazing. And guess what? My team won.
Yeah. The Lakers got lucky this time.
Lucky? Come on, David. They played really well, especially in the fourth quarter.
I won't lie, LeBron James was on fire, but I still think the Warriors could have won if Curry had hit that last three-pointer.
I know. That was so close. My heart almost stopped.
Same here. I jumped off the couch when he took the shot. It just didn't go in this time.
It was a great game, though. So much energy and intensity.
Totally. I think both teams gave it their all, but I still believe the Warriors are the better team.
No way. The Lakers have more depth and better defense.
Maybe, but when Curry and Thompson are hot, they're unstoppable.
True. But last night the Lakers had better teamwork. That's why they won.
Okay, I'll give you that. The Lakers did move the ball well, but I'm still proud of my Warriors.
And I'm proud of my Lakers. Who was your favorite player last night?
Besides Curry, I'd say Draymond Green. He played solid defense and had some nice assists.
For me, it was definitely Anthony Davis. He was a beast in the paint. So many blocks.
Yeah, he gave us a hard time. So, are we still friends even if our teams are rivals?
Of course we are. That's part of the fun.
True. Sports bring people together even when we disagree.
Exactly. So, are you ready for the next game?
You bet. I hope the Warriors come back strong next time.
We'll see about that. The Lakers are just getting started.
Wanna watch it together again?
Sure, but don't be mad if we win again.
Deal. I'll bring the snacks.